Hello everyone, today let's take a look on how we can make our instance parameters vary by group instance. What this means is that here in this project you can see I have my model group and I have two instances of this model group placed. Directly inside of the model group I have my door family and I have some instance parameters in the door family. So if I select only the door, you can see some of my parameters are grayed out, so I cannot actually fill them in, and some of the parameters I can fill in. What this means is that if I go into my model group and let's say I fill out this parameter and hit finish, you can see that even though it is an instance parameter, the parameter value will propagate to all of the instances of the same group type. So I cannot actually make this to be, let's say, XX and YY here. And this is because the parameter is set to be aligned by group type. If I want to make it different to vary by group instance, I cannot actually do this if this parameter type, as you can see in here, is a family type. So what this means is that this parameter is created directly inside of my door family. So here if I go into my family types, you can see my custom parameter, shared parameter, which if I go to edit, you can see nowhere in here I can tell it to vary by group instance. So if you have your instance parameters directly inside of your Revit families, you cannot actually tell it to vary by group instance in no way, and that's the end of the road. So what you can do instead is to use project parameters. So if I go into my manage project parameters, here you can see I have my custom parameter number 2. And if I go into my edit parameter properties, you can see here this thing that I can either set it to be values are aligned per group type. So this is the same as with the parameter inside of the family, or values can vary by group instance. And you can see I have it for my doors. So if we go back into our project, now it is set to be that it can vary by group instance. So you can see I can write a parameter value in here, let's say something like this, and it will not propagate to another instance from this group. So I can have different value in doors in this group and different value in doors in this group. If I go back and I will change this setting to be values are aligned per group type, hit OK. Now you can see I even get an error that the values have been aligned. So if I now go into my door family, you can see it is grayed out and I cannot fill it in this way, and now you can see that it was automatically added to the second door for me. So now the only way to modify it is to go inside of my model group, select the door, change the value, and hit finish. And now you can see the value will propagate between the group instances. But if we do not want this, with the project parameter, we can change this to be values can vary by group instance. Hit OK, and this way I can have these doors to be, let's say, this value, and I can set these doors to be something different. So you can see I can have different values for my instance parameters. Okay, then there is one thing, and that is for the data types. Here I have a list of all of the data types which can have this setting to value by group instance, and these are all of these. So what this means is that if I go into my project parameters, and for example I have created a parameter called number, if you go to my edit parameters, you can see a data type is a number, and as you can see the number is not in here, And here these settings values are aligned per group type is grayed out because this data type you cannot actually set to be varying by group instance. So some of the data types which can be found in here, you can see this is the list of all of the data types for the parameters. And if the data type is not in this list, you can see that I cannot set it to be varying by group instance. So if I go just like this text, you can see I can vary. Integer, it is grayed out. I cannot do this. For angle, the same. Area can be, so if you go one by one, you can see which data types can be set to be varying by group instance and which not. So me personally, I am using groups quite a lot because they speed up the modeling process substantially. And if I need to have some instance parameters differ, for me is usually with doors. So I will just create my project parameters to be varying by group instance, and then I can set different values for different doors in my group.